So this is a 380 Suzuki. What year?
I believe it's 75.
1975. 75, yeah. Oh, wow. And the seat looks like it fit pretty nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. When are you going to ride this? We're going to go two-stroking soon?
I'm
I'm ready for a two-stroke day right now.
I got a few things I got to fix or figure out, and then should be ready for the fish.
That motor cleaned up nice.
Oh yeah, it was a mess. Oh.
Now, you painted the tank, or is that the factory paint?
I painted the tank with the stripes.
Oh,
See the stripes?
Yeah, yeah, I see. I try to make you famous. I like the logos on this. The logos are even nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the seat came out nice. Who'd you get the seat from?
I got from
What
eBay.
company made it? eBay? And I like the pipes. It's got the 4 pipes, like an old Honda 4.
Look at the carpet, the pads.
What part are you looking at?
The pads.
Oh, the pods.
The air filters, yeah.
Yeah, but you just jetted up a little bit. That's no
Yeah,
problem.
they're brand new, yeah.
That cleaned up beautifully. Wow.
Yeah. It was.
I'm really impressed.
It was.
Now, you going to put any kind of little plastic fender back there, or are you just going to...
No, I don't think
It's
so.
like an MT-09.
There's a fender.
A little piece of plastic.
Half
Yeah.
fender, yeah.
That came out pretty sweet.
I have it in wax.
And you got the... Okay, I remember the old choke. I remember that. These are not the real instruments. These came from China? From Jap...
It says a Yamaha here.
It says Yamaha. Oh, take them off. Yeah, that comes out nice. All the electronics are stock, or do you make it electronic
It's all
or
stock.
anything? All stock? I like the motor on this. The motor is really nice. It really is cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, we gotta have a two-stroke day. That's all there is to it.
Yeah.
Mine's ready to go. I'm ready to get towed in now that the guy has a new trailer.
Well, mine's 80% right.
It's right. It's right enough. You can't start it, right?
No, the only thing is the side stand.
What's wrong with that? Oh, you got the wrong side stand on?
I got the universal one. Because the original one, the back was sitting too low.
Oh.
So I put the adjustable doesn't go up all the way.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
afraid
yeah.
it's gonna grind it. It's gonna grind it when I make a turn.
Yeah.
I need
Well,
to
don't do that.
I may need to put the back of the socket.
I'm really impressed how nice this came out.
Yeah.
Because I saw it the day you picked it up.
Oh, Jesus.
It didn't look that great then. Sweet looking bike. And you'll have the only one. I don't see a lot of these anywhere, even at the shows.
No.
Whoa. You go to Bikes and Breakfast, you'll be the only bike and the only breakfast. Even Dale will be impressed with Ram Air. Wow. I remember the look of that engine.
That thing doesn't make sense to me.
Nah, but it's just for looks.
You know why? Because the heads build up heat.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it rises, right?
Yep.
You put the something on top to block the heat.
Yeah.
The air.
Yep. Exactly. It's like when you insulate your house.
Yeah.
So what happened? You were visiting a zebra when you painted this? The zebra came by?
The spray can't do it with that much.
Yeah, you can't adjust it. I know.
And plus, if you have to mix every single time.
Ah.
And then I come up with the stripes. It's unique.
Unique stripes. That's very funny.
I can paint the red in two seconds.
Oh, the main thing is that motor. I can't wait to hear it run. I'm going to be riding behind you and smelling that two-stroke oil very, very soon. That's a nice, congratulations.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
I had pressed the piston in the seals. It still got a little leak.
Are they similar to the... No, they're not the same as the GS. Yeah, yeah. Well, just wear a new helmet when you ride it the first time. Luciano, that looks pretty good to me.
That's when you deal with all stuff. Oh my God.
Yeah.